Late naman mag-video si Mommy, no?
Video
Ang
one.
dami mo na nakain.
Video one.
Yeah, I'm taking video of you eating. Oh, you eat pancit. How do you eat pancit? Use the fork. Use the fork, ano? Not with your fingers. Use the fork. Hold the fork na kanina. Yeah. Oh, how do you eat pancit? You like pancit? Yeah? Of course. You can't wait a while back while Daddy was cooking, right?
Dad.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Dad.
Yes, my love. What is
Video.
video? No, later you need to eat first. Finish your food. Dali na, eat na. Oh, you show them how do you eat pancit. Yum, yum. Dali. Come on. Oh, there you go. Oh, see? Whoa, look.